Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do another hydrodipping video, but this time we're going to use actual spray paint instead of plastic dip like I did last time. Since it is Veterans Day, we're going to go ahead and go with the red, white, and blue theme. Alright, nothing to it but to do it. So, we're going to start with the red first today. Then go white. And then some blue. Gonna do another band of red. White. To get an idea of what it's starting to look like inside. That's what it's starting to look like, so you can see the different rings in it. Gotta put some bows on. And then I'm just gonna do this as an example of what it would look like. So you just kind of set it in there, and then once you're under, you kind of shake it to get the excess off. And then you can see the different bands in it. That's simple. I do have another thing I'm going to do. Real quick, go ahead and just take some paper towels. And then if you just use paper towels, it just pulls it right off. And now you're back to the clean surface again. This time we're going to start with blue, and then white, and then red. And as you can see, I did a couple extra layers this time, just to try and get a little more of a marbling effect to it. Now we're actually doing this on is this an Xbox 360 case. So just like last time, I'm just going to slowly set it in there, and then just kind of let it until it gets completely covered. And then as you can see, just kind of tiger stripes with the red, white, and blue on it. Now, you could do more layers on the back side to get it covered, but you can see where I touched it, unfortunately, but pretty cool design for it. Alright, and that will conclude today's video. Just wanted to make a red, white, and blue themed video for the Veterans Day that's coming up, and I want to thank all the veterans that have sacrificed time with their families to be able to keep us as a free country and help us for everything they do. Thank you. Okay, so after doing that, Sierra decided that she wanted to actually make her own, so we're going to go ahead and record her doing it. What she's going to dip is this RC car body. So go ahead and get started. Just always remember to do it in circles. It expands as you're doing it. Now put that one in the center of the blue. That's fine. You just gotta keep going. The blue absorbs up. The blue looks kind of funny. It's white next, yes. Are you done? Okay. So you got to set it, you got to put one in, however you want to do it. You got to do it slowly, though. So if you're going to start in the back, then just slowly set it in, and then the paint's just going to stick to it as you're going down. It's going to keep sticking. You got to keep going. Now you don't want to hit the bottom, so you got to start turning it. So like scoop it like that. Oh, that. Oh well, if that works. You can pull it back out now. So as you can see, it was already a striped paint, so it's kind of funky looking there. But when you actually look at it, you can still see all the different marbling. So it looks cool, but I think we need to prime this car completely white first before we would do anything like that again. Alright, so you just wanted to have a try at it, so that's what we did. Alright, well, that will conclude today's video.